Okay, this is my website. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about it. As you can tell, it is for bed and breakfast. So just to start off, I wanted to go through my website and just kind of show you guys it. First off here, I decided to just do a little slider, so I'll take you through that. Are you hungry yet? I just wanted to put that there to kind of showcase a couple of the examples of bed and breakfast and to get you hungry to want to join my cause. I really just wanted to keep my design simple. So as you can see, my little logo up here in the left corner, I just put that really big on my website. So the big bed symbol and the big breakfast symbol. Right here, I just added like a little quote about breakfast and the importance of it. Down here, I really just wanted like the meat of my website to be really simple. So I just did 3 simple columns of why, how, and how you can participate. And then after that, I added a little location to where you can put your zip code in and see where we are, where you're located, because I wanted this to be all over the globe. And then down here, I just kind of wanted to make it fun, so I added some more fun breakfast pictures, a little donate quote here to kind of get you motivated to join, and then this is just a little sign up so that you can sign up. And then all of our little social links down here below. The main purpose of my website was to be able to feed college students breakfast because I know a lot of college students are poor, so they either can't afford breakfast, or if you're like me, you just forget to eat breakfast, which is an important meal. So that is the purpose of my website, is people can join and pick what they want for bed and breakfast, what they want delivered, how often they want it delivered, and whatever money they spend towards that will be used to provide college students all over the globe with breakfast. So as you can tell, I didn't insert a menu. I didn't want it to be too complicated. So basically what I was thinking is down here, when you sign up, they'll be able to sign up for like what they want, and then the menu will be there. The way that I designed my website, I wanted to keep it really plain. So like I talked about, I just wanted to keep the logo here so you can really know what it is. I wanted to keep these 3 columns here to just get to the point so people could understand and not have to look all around the website to find the purpose or what it's about. And then I just wanted it to be fun, so I customized some of these buttons so that you can find it where you're at, and then, just wanted to add these pictures to make it fun and exciting. I learned a lot during this website. It was fun to just kind of see everything that was put together as we went through the website. I think the hardest part for me was the customization, so like things like this, the custom fonts, and really just like making it look like what I wanted in my head. So the CSS customization and codes were a little bit hard for me, but I think it came together pretty well. So thank you guys for checking it out.